Using the browser in Force is a really quick way to start building up your song. So I'm just going to add a track, and then I'm going to add an audio track. I'm going to double tap on the matrix to add a clip, and then I'm going to enter the browser by pressing the load button. This is where you're going to find all of the inbuilt audio clips, MIDI clips, and kits, as well as any of your own content that you've added to. I'm going to search for a kick drum just because I want to start the track with a really solid beat. When I find one I like, I just press load, and it's already loaded it into that clip. Let's add another track to try and add some percussion. This time I've chosen a drum track, I've just added a clip in there, and I'm going to go to the browser. Now my kick was in the deep house genre, so when I search for the kits, I'm just going to search deep, and it should give me loads of different deep house kits back. So I just pick whichever one I like. I'm going to choose this one and load it in. I'm going to start programming this beat using the step sequence mode. So I'm going to add another track, and I'm going to add an audio clip. This time we're going to look for a bass line to go with all of this. So now I'm going to add another track, which is going to be a drum track, because I want to try and add some melodics to this. So if I press load, go back to kits, I'm just going to pick another kit. I'm just going to go into launch mode, and I'm going to add another track. And I'm going to look for like a top loop. Let's try this one.